Hello guys, so today I will show you how to use this AMSOIL injector clean. This is an fuel additive para malinis yung fuel injector nyo sa diesel engine nyo. And you just have to follow the instructions here. Yan po kung kaano kadami. So for clean up, you just need to put this one 16 ounce of injector clean, and then papa full tank mo like maybe 3,000 pesos, like 40 to 45 liters. So goods na yan. And then make sure that your car is running empty before you put this one, and then tsaka ka na magpapagas. Binlan na ako gamay. Guys, you can now add your fuel after mo may lagay itong fuel additive na to. So make sure na running empty na yung car mo, and then make sure you put full tank sa gas mo para mas mag-circulate yung additive. So yun lang po guys, hope you enjoy.